to download a Facebook video straight away into your smartphone. Okay, first thing, open up your Google Play Store and search for FB Video Downloader. Alright, you can see the logo F and with the green arrow down there, and click install. Okay, it's already installing. Alright, now you just open it up. Alright, just click next, next, and done. Alright, allow it. Okay, click on the skip button. Okay, this is my Facebook. So right now I want to download some videos from my Facebook. Okay, what I have to do, just I have to search for a video, perhaps from here. Any video? Alright, I think there's a lot of video here. Okay, and now I want to download this video. Click on the video itself and you will see that what would you like to do with this video. You can either cancel it, you just want to watch it, or you just want to download it. So click on download and the video will add it to the download queue. You can see here. Yep, it's completed. Okay, now let's see, is the video already stored in your smartphone? Okay, new photos. Okay, album. Yep, there's the video. Yes, you already download the video into your smartphone straight away, so you can share with your friend through WhatsApp, or you can repost it into your Facebook or anything. So it's the most easiest way to download a Facebook video into your smartphone. Alright, thank you. For more tips and tricks, just make sure you subscribe, like, and share this channel to everyone else. Alright, thank you. Bye bye.